Italy is one of the most popular vacation destinations in the world, and it's no wonder. However, not every Italian getaway needs to be in the hub of Florence or along the Amalfi Coast. Here, we take a look at some of the most beautiful places to book your next vacation to.
Number 5.
Florence is a city located in central Italy, known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning architecture, and vast collections of art and sculptures. The city is home to numerous world-renowned landmarks, such as the Duomo, a magnificent cathedral that dominates the city's skyline, and the famous Ponte Vecchio Bridge. Florence is widely regarded as the birthplace of the Renaissance, with numerous museums and art galleries showcasing masterpieces by famous artists such as Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. The city is a hub of Italian culture, with numerous festivals and events that celebrate music, art, and cuisine, such as the famous Florentine leather market and the Calcio Storico, a traditional form of early football. The historic center of Florence is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is renowned for its stunning architecture and charming streets, offering visitors a glimpse into the city's rich history and heritage.
Number 4.
The Amalfi Coast is a stunning stretch of coastline located in southern Italy, renowned for its picturesque towns, turquoise waters, and breathtaking scenery. The area is dotted with charming villages, such as Positano, Ravello, and Amalfi, each with its own unique character and history. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and lush vegetation, making it a popular destination for beachgoers, hikers, and nature lovers. The region is also renowned for its cuisine, with delicious seafood and traditional dishes made from locally sourced ingredients. The Amalfi Coast is a cultural hub, with numerous historic landmarks, such as the Cathedral of Amalfi and the Roman Villa at Minori, offering visitors a glimpse into the area's rich history and heritage.
Number 3.
Milan is a vibrant city in northern Italy, known for its high fashion, rich cultural heritage, and history as an economic powerhouse. The city is home to the iconic Cathedral of Milan, a Gothic masterpiece that dominates the city's skyline and offers stunning views from its terrace. Milan is the fashion capital of Italy and is renowned for its luxurious boutiques, designer shops, and world-class department stores, making it a shopper's paradise. The city is also famous for its cultural offerings, with numerous museums, art galleries, and historic landmarks that showcase its rich heritage, such as the Pinacoteca di Brera Art Gallery and the Sforza Castle. Milan is a hub of business and finance, with a thriving economy and numerous global corporations headquartered in the city, making it a hub of innovation and entrepreneurship.
Number 2.
Venice is a city built on water, famous for its network of canals, stunning architecture, and iconic gondolas. The Piazza San Marco, one of Venice's most famous squares, is surrounded by historic buildings and is a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike. The Doge's Palace, the former residence of Venice's rulers, is a magnificent example of Gothic architecture and home to a wealth of historical artifacts and works of art. Venice's historic center, with its narrow streets and charming bridges, is a labyrinth of cultural and architectural treasures that are waiting to be explored. The city's numerous churches, such as St. Mark's Basilica and the Church of the Salute, are renowned for their stunning architecture and rich history and offer visitors a glimpse into Venice's fascinating cultural heritage.
Number 1.
Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city with a rich history and cultural heritage that spans thousands of years. It is also renowned for its delicious cuisine, vibrant nightlife, and stunning museums and galleries. Visitors to the city will never run out of things to see and do, making it a truly unforgettable destination. The Colosseum, one of Rome's most recognizable landmarks, is a symbol of the city's rich history and a testament to its architectural prowess. The Vatican City, a tiny city-state within Rome, is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church and home to many famous works of art, including the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica. The Roman Forum was once the center of political and social life in ancient Rome, and is now an impressive archaeological site that attracts visitors from around the world.